One thing you hear a lot from Windows or Mac users is that Linux is too hard to learn. Now, to be fair, if you're trying to run a server, compile software, or use nothing but the terminal, yeah, Linux can get a little technical. But for everyday desktop use like browsing the web, watching YouTube, writing documents, managing files, or even playing some games, it's actually a lot easier than a lot of people think. Take Linux Mint. The layout feels familiar right away. You have the start menu style launcher, a taskbar, app updates, system settings, and a software manager where you can install apps without hunting around random websites. Then there's Zorin OS, which is clearly designed for people coming from Windows or Mac OS. It has a polished interface, a lot of simple settings, and layout options that can make the desktop feel a lot more like Windows or Mac. The good news is, for a lot of basic tasks, you really never need to touch the terminal. So Linux in of itself isn't necessarily harder than Windows, it's just different. And a big part of that comes down to choosing the right distro or version of Linux for your needs. So is Linux hard? I mean, it can be, that's relative, but for most people, after choosing the right distro, especially with options like Linux Mint or Zorin OS, it's sort of more like switching from an iPhone to an Android phone or an Android phone to an iPhone. Different, yeah, definitely. Impossible, not even close.